Hi, year 8. Welcome to lesson 5 of term 6. So still looking at the Industrial Revolution, and we're going to move on from child labour this week and look at inventors and inventions in the Industrial Revolution. So as your starter, I would like you to draw your craziest inventor, okay? What do you think a mad professor, a crazy inventor looks like? You can see my version there. I've got to admit I was helped a bit by Google, but I'd like you to draw yourself your inventor. What does an inventor look like? In today's lesson, I'd like to look at 4 of the main inventions in the Industrial Revolution. There were others, I just want to start with 4 and 4 inventors. So the first thing that I'd like you to do is to read the information sheets that are on Show My Homework for you. Now, once you've done that, you've got a table to fill in. It is completely up to you. You can print out that table and fill it in if you want to. If you haven't got a printer or you don't want to and you just want to draw that table, absolutely fine. I've got no problem with either of those. Can you make sure that it is, if you are drawing it out, that you make it nice and big? You can take a full page of your book or on paper, if you're doing it that way, and fill that in with as much detail, please, year 8, as possible. Well done, year 8. So you've got a general overview of 4 of the inventions of the Industrial Revolution and the people who created them. So what I'd like you to do now is to take 1 or 2 of them and to write me a PEE paragraph or 2 PEE paragraphs explaining how their inventions had changed Britain. Now, if you are unsure of this, there is a writing frame. You'll see it says Task 2 writing frame on Show My Homework that you can use. And again, up to you completely. You can just copy that into your book, or you can print it out and write on it. Absolutely fine. If you don't need it, that's absolutely fine. But remember, I need that clear point. What did it do to change Britain? Okay. Evidence, what was it? And then the explanation, what exactly had it changed? Okay, year 8, it is on. We've now got our survival of the fittest. Who is the most important of these 4 inventors? So, I want you to choose one of the inventors from your table. And I want you to either write or record yourself as this person making a speech, okay? And in this speech, you are proving that your invention is the one that has changed Britain the most. You are the most significant of all of the inventors. Now, when you're doing this, you really do need to remember to compare how your invention has changed more than others. It's changed more things. It's had more of an impact on people than the other inventors. Last but definitely not least is our extension task this week. And this week is an independent research task. Now, as ever, scholars, you are expected to do this. Everybody else, I would be delighted. The more, the merrier. Now, I want you to research one or more of the following inventors and add them to your table. I only chose 4 of the inventors of the Industrial Revolution, and there are many, many more. Once you've chosen one or more, if you want to, and you've added them to your table, I want you to explain why they are just as significant as the inventors I gave you. To explain why there's no real reason that these guys have been left out. So you can choose from Michael Faraday, Ada Lovelace, the only woman on here, you notice, Isambard Kingdom Brunel, Henry Bessemer, and Alexandra Graham Bell. Now you can do one of them, you can do two of them, you can do all of them. It doesn't matter to me. But that ends our lesson on inventors and inventions in the Industrial Revolution. If you have any questions, please email your teacher. They will be happy to help you out. And once your work is done, can you upload it either on Show My Homework or email your teacher? Thank you very much, Year 8. I will see you next week.